So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Ray-Ban Meta glasses are not recording any videos. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the big thing I recommend doing here is to go through and make sure there's not anything going through and messing up any glitches or anything like that. You want to double check how you're pressing the button. If you're pressing the button and releasing it, it quickly takes a photo. But if you want to record a video, you want to press and hold the top right button and press once again to stop it. You can also try a voice command. You can try saying, "Hey Meta, take a video," to check if it's a hardware button issue or anything like that. Number two, you want to disable any wear detection. So open the Meta View or Meta AI app on your phone, tap the glasses on the top right device settings, then toggle wear detection toggle. That's another important thing you can do. Another very important thing is clearing your storage space. You might have to go through and just clear your storage space as well. If your glasses or app storage is full, the camera won't start. So keep that in mind. That's another very, very important thing to keep in mind here as well. So those are essentially the main ways to go and fix this type of problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.